All right, I'm out here with John, and we're looking at his drainage, and this is the driveway sill that we're standing on here. So this would be the high point of the whole drainage plan, and then we have the driveway going down. So we could tackle the driveway in a couple of different ways, and what I sort of landed on in conversation with John is shifting the center line of the driveway to the left in the middle there where it's getting washed out about 3 feet or so. We'd move that reflector on the left to the left, as well as there's some landscape lights there in the grass that we would also shift to the left 3 feet or so. We would take a little bit of that dirt, and so right now the driveway is pitched to the right and the water's not getting all the way to the right, and you can see that there's a little bit of a high spot right there where the tree roots are, and so we would really need to dig in to that hillside in order to get that ditch opened up and defined and really highly functional. And so if we shift the center line of the roadway to the left about 3 to 4 feet, then we don't necessarily have to get into the roots of that tree quite as much, and we can just kind of put that ditch right in that light brown area and up against the embankment there. So that's the plan currently. What we'll do is we'll push all this gravel up here to the top, right up here kind of behind the truck, and stockpile it, and then we'll regrade the driveway, and then we'll reapply the rock. We'll use water and track packing to get the new grade to set up. And what we're going to do is actually crown the road as opposed to pitching it to the right. And so we'll take 50% of the water that lands on the driveway and send it to the left and the downhill side, and 50% that lands on the driveway will go to the right on the right hand side. And then up here we're also going to handle the water a little bit differently. What we're going to do is take this garage sill elevation and then do a 1.5% pitch through my truck and his camper there, and we're going to kind of have a diagonal ridge line that goes right through the back tire of my truck and kind of over into the corner there. But we're going to take all the water that lands and flows onto this driveway and send it right into that garden bed. So we will be removing these rocks here and potentially taking this garden bed down a little bit to where it's well below the garage sill, and all the water that's up here on this parking area is moving into this garden bed. And currently the water's coming here and running right down the driveway, and a lot of this water is coming off the house, and we have a lot of water that this driveway is trying to manage. So getting this ditch opened up, crowning the driveway, rolling it, shifting it to the left ever so slightly, track packing it with water. And then John would also like to look at getting a new load of this road base gravel brought in. And this is like 1/2 inch to 3/4 inch minus. I think this is from APC Asphalt Specialist. And get that onto as an optional add-on as well. And that's about it.